Ki gani kamde shu kasin kemanang kong ba nakaliang juga sang balang mila anggot pakai dari kampung jalan. Aswa bang tren ya kai bang hindu nasingen pelgemau kendai trip pura khat kendai. Ru phongot kinong thoan sukar jalan la pas solution official solution. Tata de ini pas ti kas kusyat madan madia ande dik takinong thoan ba ba jalan kup ita kenwa. Haporwan support jingalang NEC untuk nanti banyu edibit company halo gani kam. Andai tidak step ni kai wajia tu jingalang NEC. Menta kasiru ngam batai syai kolong ba. Nakaliang menteri kampoyeng sekarang dia Allah susap dia ke bengi batai kajing kawa jongi ku kisang balang bat jong kejala koi halo LP andai. Kamdan kanu kajing kular bat kamdan kanu ke komitmen pai dei ka LP issue. Bat ngakran da basai ba kane kadai ka big insol ya literally terenggeluk jong kejai kandai bat jong kejala ko. Namar lada sistem tam lepas eta ka resolution. Semala ban ay tang sikentian pantang ya ka ay ganong rem ne ka stand jong Indian government halor ka ILP issue tang kata mala ban jiba sap te ko pen kenir kumle komblong iba wat yakin ru phongot semla ken snap na kaliang jungi kum sang balang ngisa song ban perkhat ngisi evenya ngiso thu kadang kene pandemic kumta hanrai virus bal kejap ya kejap benri ba jela ba koi ngihak ban wat lagu jong doi nang ni sakman.
We have been meeting the Home Minister. First meeting Kadai for Delhi, second meeting Shalom, and this is the third meeting. The third meeting, I expect he will assure us something. Nakaliang Jong Home Minister. The kabakam sung si issue kalong ba la assure ni ba kata meeting ko begini kuno at least minyo ikapol kumba 20 to 25 minutes. And right now la syuk akran tangwe. But dalam nyimut ban keren biang tiang tem bala kaju isu inamyo si bani keren bani debate, so that's fine. And then we expect something from the Home Minister at least. And I hadu bani aru ka meeting we are not satisfied and we are not happy. But we inspect ay garai ba kin pentep lingba kata kaji keren pat badu siam jungi ya kasti jungi. And I to be frankly, I mean we are not happy at all. We are not satisfied with this meeting. No what?
No comments from the
No what?
The thing is like this.
He has not assured us anything also.
The thing is very plain and simple. That he allow us to make a submission, no doubt. We starting to make a submission on ILP, and when only 2 members are able to speak, he directly say that let's talk. If there's any other issue, then let's talk other issue. But Sadon raised the relevant issue of borders, and Tengzak Moming has raised the issue of languages in there. Actually, very relevant issue, no doubt. But the main agenda, which is ILP, he did not give any assurance, he does not give any commitment, and in fact, he does not even say a word. He does not even tell us why there is a delay. He does not even explain to us the stand of the Indian government on this issue. So this is not acceptable. We are very disappointed. This has led the moral of the indigenous people into the state douse once again. And actually we expect better, even after waiting for almost 2 years. Actually we expect better than this, but nevertheless such a thing did not happen. And as Balam said, that we are not happy. This is a big insult to the indigenous people of the state on the whole, and we can't allow that this kind of situation happening again and again in our own state.
Udawan bansimkia siya ya ka isu kaba kum kisang balang kum sarkar kum bisa beriang ni kuat ya kata di penterikan mereka LP masnya rung hapo ngila sutu ya kata ba ni pasang banyak kena ya kata di penterikan mereka LP hindai kaba penlengok kalau nakaliang siam ru intervene bala kran way labiang nakaliang Home Minister intervene bala kran way labiang la sutu hindai KLP kamkut ang jingkran way kum binong dalam sambalang midon sibun ki poin banyak ni ya kaba uniu Home Minister semua ailat ini kran te rasuang da fidan dui ki isu fila banyak kran te nilai kran ru ko border isu nilai kran ki schedule but kabami la sunto jong Chief Minister ni kalong ba the Home Minister will examine this matter andai kaba phalapa kalong nakaliang Home Minister si continue kami ayu le alor kini isu ki bangilai kran ke komot kani ke jingwan dengan mecha kani kenti ko benta wal hadin bola panap ingi kato kani banai ka jingwan du ko bakado kalong lenoi ni smo ba kalong lenoi but kam simpoi kan lu discussion ka ba kabantay ya kalawai jom